to play the 1-octave E minor scale on the bass. We're going to start with our very lowest note, the open E. Next note is first finger F sharp. Second finger G natural for minor. Then A, first finger. Going up, we're going to play a C sharp, so that is fourth finger. Now we're going to go to half position and play D sharp, and that is first finger. And then second finger will play the E. And then going down, we drop the D sharp and the C sharp, so we play D natural and C natural. So we play second finger on E, the note we just played, open D. While you're playing the open, go ahead and go back to first position and do second finger. That's C natural, first finger, open, and then second finger, first finger. So all together, that looks like this. You're welcome to try playing this with me. Let's go ahead and try playing that with a beat, 4 beats per measure.